Hi everybody, this is Garrett Haro with KESQ News Channel 3. We're in Riverside this morning, standing outside the Robert Presley Hall of Justice. We have now officially learned that charges have been filed against Jake and Rebecca Haro for murder as well as for making a false report to police. We know back on August 14th, Rebecca Haro said that her child was kidnapped. Police say that did not happen and they're still searching for little Emmanuel's remains. We're going to bring you the latest right here on News Channel 3. Stick with us for updates.
All right, now you guys must have heard Jake and Rebecca charged with murder officially. Here's some of the documents. Count 1, signed Jake Mitchell Haro and Rebecca Renee Haro, a felony in that or about August 5th through and including August 14 in the county of Riverside, state of California. The defendant did willfully and unlawfully murder Baby Doe, which is Emmanuel Haro, EH, a human being. And count 2, Jake and Rebecca committed a violation of Penal Code section, subdivision, a misdemeanor, pursuant to the section of Evidence Code, evidence of the defendant's commission of, and I think this is the part where they lied, that the above named defendants, Jake and Rebecca, committed a violation of willfully and unlawfully report to a police officer and a member of the California Highway Patrol that a felony and misdemeanor has been committed, knowing the report to be false. Then there's a notice of Evidence Code, evidence of the defendant's commission of other acts of domestic violence may be admissible at the trial in a criminal action in which the defendants are accused of the offense involving domestic violence. Oh, the people hereby give the notice of the people's intent to admit evidence of prior acts of domestic violence pursuant to Evidence Code section 1109. These incidents include the prior incidents described in the police report, chronological report, and or tapes already provided, and other alleged incidents of abuse, which will be provided as they are obtained by the prosecution. Marsy's Law, information contained in the reports being distributed as discovery in this case may contain confidential information protected by Marsy's Law and the amendments to the California Constitution. It's unlawful for defendants, defense counsel, and any other person acting on behalf of the defendant or defendants to use any information contained in the report to locate, harass any victims or the victim's family, disclose any information that otherwise privileged and confidential by law. Discovery request pursuant to Penal Code section 105-54.5 subdivision. The people are hereby informally requesting that the defense counsel provide discovery to the people as required by Penal Code section. Information in the reports being distributed as discovery in this case may contain confidential information. So we got to protect the alleged victim's rights. Discovery request, we got that already. I declare under penalty of perjury upon information and belief under the laws of the state of California that the foregoing is true and correct. Wow.